Extreme Weather over here. I hope you love my new glasses. Now we need to keep on this low tropical system 90 because it's going to be maybe the first Atlantic Ocean. See on this satellite show you it's maybe it could be strengthening over tomorrow will be maybe a little bigger right now until then because the weather is so calm but we only focus on the tropicals and otherwise it may be a little bit quiet because there's going to be a little bit heat waves going increasing over temperatures. Now we're going to look at the models to see how big this heat wave will going to get in 24 hours. Out. On the 24th, you see very warm air temperature difference, really above average, and the biggest one is on the 26th. That's a big deal, and it's going to be warmer. The time's going on right now, and also we're going the new program is still in beta called the Wolf F, like something. It's just beta, but it will hopefully turn into like model program things and also like that because this right now we are looking at like lightning and satellite. Realize like time and stuff. Right now, maybe I need to show you a bit better one right now. Hopefully will work. Cause this the lightning. Hold on a sec. Here it is. Right now. You see on that blue, let me get a little better view. See all that lightning, the blue is maybe lightning satellite predicting what's going on right now. Well, it's maybe a little bit glitching, that's why. Why I thinking this crazy going on with the heat waves. But we don't know what's going to happen with the Cape with this. Could be maybe there's a low pressure system will bring that low pressure brings all that when that high pressure will finally leaves to by the America. Cause we don't know when it's gonna be another low pressure will form in the area. There's gonna be who knows well it's gonna be a hail threat. Because there's on the like a NAM example show you on 12K there's gonna be lots of Cape in Maryland, but we don't know how much there's gonna be caused by it. Let's see on the 23rd there's gonna be really high, but there's gonna be a high pressure system will blocking away. Maybe. We don't know it could occur or not. We need to keep an eye on it. It could happen on the 23rd or the 24th. Will happen anyways. Hopefully this gonna be in case or will impact your area. That's why I'm thinking I'll just hopefully gonna be bigger in weather threat, and I can make another severe weather going on or tropical system will keep eye on it. Hopefully this is gonna be good